Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, July 12th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Another crappy day today, and it's tough to have a crappy day when the Dow closes up 123 points. What happened today is a pattern. You've heard me say this before. We got a pattern that is very, very bad for us. By the way, I did call the Dow up for today based on this very strong bull spike down here yesterday. It certainly did go up. It took off immediately, and within 30 minutes here, it was up over 150 points. The problem is then it the selling comes in, and it went down. It did come back a little here, but for this to be worth anything, it's got to take out this high here, and it didn't do it. And then it kind of does this ugly hook here at the end of the day. So based on this, I will call it down for tomorrow. I wish it wasn't down, but that's what I got to call it based on the chart pattern here. I call it down for tomorrow. Okay, the problem here with this kind of pattern is this gets us in to a whole bunch of stuff right up about here, and then this all goes to a loss the rest of the day, and that's exactly what happened. We got into 10 trades, and 9 are negative, only 1 positive. And we're holding negative over $8,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow with 10 trades. And if this thing goes down like I predict, it's not going to be good, folks. Now, one good thing did happen today. We do get some help with this big push up at the beginning of the day because we had almost negative $5,000 in open trade equity yesterday, and we got out of that with positive $1,500 plus. So that was real good. We're basically gaining over $6,000 from where we were yesterday on our exits. But then we turn around and negate that by getting into 10 positions with a negative $8,000 going in tomorrow. That's not good. Now, all I can say is we've seen a lot of these negative open trades getting better the next day, and let's hope that happens tomorrow. But like I say, I do not like this pattern here. I got to call the Dow down, and I don't know how that's going to help these 10 bad positions we have. We'll just have to see. I'll show you what happened with why we have such bad open trade equity. This is not what I want to be looking at. This is Unit Corporation, and you can see here, just like the Dow, it gaps way up at the beginning. We have this big push right at the beginning that just gets us in, almost a high tick of the day, and then it fails all day. So we got negative $2.5 thousand in Unit Corporation. Then we get the same pattern in Cara Therapeutics. Big gap up at the beginning of the day. We get in right at the beginning of the day, and then it fails. It does come back a little at the big end here. I don't know if that'll help us, but we're still negative $2,300 in Cara Therapeutics. That's not good. We did have a couple decent trades. This was the best one of the day. This is Tetraphase Pharmaceuticals. We had bought this yesterday, about 90 minutes to go, and then it gapped up a little for us, and we got out here. Not the perfect exit, but not a bad exit, and we took $2,000 out of Tetraphase Pharmaceuticals, but no way was this enough to offset this other stuff. So anyway, bad day. Hope tomorrow goes better. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.